In this video tutorial, we'll demonstrate the WinDaq add-on Auto Startup Configuration utility, allowing you to enable and configure add-ons, including those featured in the WinDaq utility pack, and save that configuration. We've covered add-ons in the past, allowing you to do things like program digital ports, or add meter displays and gauges. But what if you've added meter displays and gauges and have them customized and positioned just the way you want, and then you close out a WinDaq and open it up again? All of those add-ons and custom configurations are gone, and you have to start all over again. Fortunately, the WinDaq add-on Auto Startup Configuration utility saves you the trouble. You'll find the Auto Startup Configuration utility in the View pull-down menu under Add-ons. The utility allows you to select, assign, and configure add-ons just as you would from the View pull-down menu under Add-ons. Here we'll enable a couple meter displays and a gauge and assign them channels, and then position them just where we want them over top of the WinDaq display. And now we'll save that setup and configuration by clicking the green checkbox. Now, the next time you close WinDaq and open it back up again, everything is just where you left it, in the same position with the same custom configuration. Because the Auto Startup Configuration utility doesn't remember the exact position of the WinDaq window on your screen, we recommend maximizing the WinDaq window and choosing Save Default Setup from the File pull-down menu before positioning add-ons like meters and gauges. That way, the next time you run WinDaq, it'll come up maximized and your meters and gauges will be in the correct location. Otherwise, without the WinDaq window being maximized, you may have to reposition it so that everything lines up correctly.